Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Emery Pitcel. I am the owner of Rothrock Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. I'm a chiropractor, and I am joined today by Ben Ciccarone. He's of Wellness Way Massage. He and I share a suite space together, so he is right across the hallway. This month of December, we've been going over lumbar erectors and the QL muscle and lumbar region pain in general. So I wanted to take a moment to run a technique video to show you one of our favorite ways to create stretch and take pressure off of the lumbar erector muscles. And we use the flexion distraction table. So what's nice about this is we're going to get blood flow into the muscles, kind of reset some of the trigger points, get a neurological reset into all the muscles here, all while getting a dynamic movement and actually kind of taking a patient through kind of like a daily movement that they really are doing day in and day out. So Ben's going to lift up his legs so I can get the handle up here. But what's nice about this table that we have at Rothrock is we have the ability to drop it down at the hips and then actually use the leverage here to open up the back and then use the hand contacts to further increase the stretch there. So what's going to happen is the table is going to drop down and away, and that's already starting to put a little bit of stretch on the left side of his lumbar erectors and his QL muscle. And then to really kind of hone in on the stretch and to target on the areas where it needs the most release, we're going to do a hand contact, pin down that muscle, and strip it down and away. Ben, how does that feel?
Feels good.
Okay. Says it feels good. Hopefully feels like there's kind of like some just pressure coming off all the muscles. Of course, a little tenderness where the hand is at, but then feeling all the stretch that's happening northbound, southbound, east, west of where that hand contact is, right? And of course, I usually end up working both sides with this type of technique and end up doing probably typically for most people anywhere around 18 or 8 to 15 contacts and swipes to really just open up those muscles and kind of get that set. And again, just kind of like a quick demo, I would switch over sides of the table, hand contact, legs are going down and away. That's already starting to engage and stretch those muscles. And then just really driving the manual technique and the hand contact to pry open that back and stretch it even more than that. Now that's the muscular component of it. There's also the straight down component where the legs just go straight down to work the spine. But I, for the sake of this video, really wanted to focus mostly on the muscular component of our flexion distraction. So this is fantastic for patients that are struggling with tension in the lumbar erectors here. Maybe it's a lumbar disc and we need to take the muscle pain and tension and guarding away from the disc, or even our lumbar facets are going to have a good amount of muscle guarding living along those as well too. So again, pretty much if we're dealing with any sort of lumbar pain, whether that's muscular or spine, this is going to be one of our top techniques to pick without fail. So we hope that this video was helpful for those that watched. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to our channels, like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube, leave a comment if you would like to learn more about this. But otherwise, thank you so much for your time. Everybody out there, take care till next time.